This AI agent saves me hours every single week. It's probably my favorite AI tool, and that says a lot because using these tools is literally my job. It's called Genspark. Think of it as Google meets ChatGPT, but it actually gets real work done for you. This new update makes it even more incredible, and I didn't know that was possible. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use its amazing new features. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm inside of Genspark here, and you can see this is our Genspark super agent. There are so many different things that our agent could do for us. It could do comprehensive research. It can generate AI slideshows or presentations. It could basically create full entire databases with like Google Sheets, for example. It could download different files for us. But what I want to go ahead and show you is the ability to actually connect this to your Google apps. And it's absolutely mind-blowing adding this to our functionality inside of Genspark. So what you want to do is you're going to come down here. You're going to click on this little tool belt, and it basically allows us to access our personalized tools. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to install the Google Suite so it could basically access my Google Workspace, including Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and I could also have it access my Notion page as well. So I'm going to click install here. It's going to take me to this, and I could basically just sign in here to Genspark. And I'm personally going to give it access to all of this information to be able to see, edit, and create certain things inside of my Google Workspaces. And now basically this has context to my Google apps, such as like Google Calendar, Gmail, and it could perform actions for us on our behalf. All right, so here's the prompt I'm gonna give it. Summarize my emails and indicate which need my attention from my emails. Let's just say over the last few days. So it's going to go ahead and now actually search this email inbox that I gave it access to. So you can see it's using this Gmail search tool, and it's already identifying some of my previous emails. I'm using kind of a mock email here because I don't want to show all of the personalized emails I have in my inbox. So this looks great. It basically summarized my emails from the last 3 days. I don't have many. High priority, Google security from Google. Medium priority, it shows business opportunity. So here's an AI consulting email. That is actually a mock email that I sent myself, but let's take a look. So someone reached out expressing interest in your YouTube channel, seeking help with AI integration, specifically voice AI solutions, but even created like kind of action items here. So what I'm going to do now is I could actually go and save this to Notion as well. If I connected my Notion, I could save it to a particular page if I wanted to, but let's just come here and just say, this looks great. Now can you draft a reply to the consulting inquiry? And just like that, it's actually generating an email draft here. And it's actually extremely quick at going ahead and doing this. And one thing that's amazing with this is it's not drafting up just like a very generic looking text-based email. Look at like the structure of this that I actually went ahead and crafted inside of Genspark. That is pretty crazy. I could either send that right now or I could save it as a draft. Let me just click send and see how this will work. So email sent. Let me check if it's actually sent. And boom, here we go. We have this extremely well-crafted email. That looks absolutely amazing. I don't even know what to say to that. All right, so this next use case is absolutely insane that Genspark actually showcased on their announcement today. So it's basically reviewing a bunch of different job applicant resumes because it has the ability to download these Google Drive images, analyze them, and then basically based on specifications for the job, identify who are the top candidates. So let me go ahead and watch this video so you can see what I'm talking about.
Next, here's an AI product manager application from Steven Sanchez. Email plus resume attachment. But wait, there are 49 more just like this. Just tell Genspark, download all resumes to AI Drive and screen candidates. Genspark quickly completed the task, downloaded all resumes, and identified 5 standout candidates from the 50 applicants. It summarized each candidate's highlights. Our team reviewed these recommendations, discussed the candidates, and made our final selection. Then with one prompt, Genspark drafts 5 personalized email replies. It congratulates next round interviewees like Steven, highlighting his senior engineer background and recommendation engine expertise, while scheduling a 1-hour interview and requesting availability. Finally, just hit send, and all 5 emails go out instantly. Personalized at scale, nice and easy.
So that's absolutely insane because think about it this way. If you have a whole bunch of emails you need to analyze, it could go through, it could actually download those resumes, analyze it, and then create personalized responses based on who actually fits that criteria for that job. That's just one use case that is insane to me. All right, so this next use case might be the craziest one yet that I'm going to showcase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I have this list of fake emails here, and I'm going to upload this to Genspark. And this is basically a leads list. What I'm going to say is take this leads list and turn it into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to give it that. We're going to test out the AI Sheets feature inside of Genspark. And then from here, what I'm going to do is it has their emails attached in this spreadsheet that it's going to create for me. And I'm going to have it automatically reach out to every single one of these people in this spreadsheet via email. And it's going to have context on who they are. So it's going to create a personalized email and send it to every single person on this email list. All right, so here is our spreadsheet here that it created with all of this lead information. So next up comes the fun part. I'm going to ask it to write a personalized outreach message to each of these people. Here is the prompt that I gave it. You are an email marketing expert. Based on the context you have about each lead in this spreadsheet, draft a hyper-personalized email to each person. We are an AI consulting company and we are trying to get them to book an initial consultation meeting with our team. So let's give it that, run with it, and see what it does. It's looking like it actually added a column here called personalized email draft for each of these people that is hyper-personalized for each of these different leads. However, the problem here is that we actually wanted to go ahead and send these emails. So let's just say, basically saying, go ahead and create the email drafts for me in Gmail for the first 5 leads on this list. Let's see if it's able to understand this instruction. Okay, so it's actually using this tool, email draft. So it's going through and it's actually doing it. Okay, so we have our first email draft here. So hi, Michael. Michael's the first person on the list. It's going to the email address Tammy, and it's basically like it understands that they work at this firm here. This is insane. And the fact that I could actually go in and actually change certain things about the email in here so I can improve the writing. Let's go ahead and just like click on this. Let's click improve writing. And it's actually going ahead and it's changing that writing for the specific line of this email. Guys, Genspark is insane. I know that word gets used a ton in this AI space, but this is next level stuff that they're releasing. And it seems to be on a day-to-day basis at this point. So I'm just blown away here. So now we have all 5 of these emails drafted. Let's just go ahead, send this one, send that one. We could save them as a draft. Guys, there we have it. That's absolutely crazy. All right, guys, pretty crazy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of this new feature that Genspark released. Have you used Genspark? Are you going to use it now after this video? I do want to mention, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I cover all things AI for non-techies. I show everyday people like yourself and me how they could use AI tools to make their life a bit more efficient. So if that sounds right for you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.